యువకులు మత్తు పదార్థాల బారిన పడకుండా ప్రభుత్వాలతో పాటు ప్రముఖులు, స్వచ్ఛంద సంస్థలు అవగాహన కల్పించాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందన్నారు గవర్నర్ తమిళిసై సౌందరరాజన్. హైదరాబాద్ బేగంపేటలో మాదక ద్రవ్యాలకు వ్యతిరేకంగా ఆదిత్య మెహతా ఫౌండేషన్ ఆధ్వర్యంలో సే నో టు డ్రగ్స్ నినాదం చేపట్టి పరుగును ప్రారంభించారు గవర్నర్. ఆ ర్యాలీ కర్ణాటకలో గోకర్ణం వరకు సుమారు 660 కిలోమీటర్లు 6 రోజుల పాటు కొనసాగుతుంది. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో సినీ నటి మంచు లక్ష్మితో పాటు ప్రభుత్వ సలహాదారు ఎస్కే జోషి, అదనపు డీజీ జితేందర్ తదితరులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
It's always inspiring to be here, from able-bodied to see a disabled body to push boundaries that we ourselves can't accomplish in our regular days. You inspire us. This year, I did something that I thought I could never do, which is cycle, first of all, in these roads here. Forget cycling, I did 100 kilometers to raise money for Aditya Mehta Foundation, and we exceeded the amount that we wanted to raise. So I want to thank all my friends and donors during that moment, and each and every one of you who rode with me. I really tell you, it was something that made me feel like there is no stop.
I first of all congratulate Shri Aditya Mehta for taking the theme of no to drugs, to drug abuse, and I really congratulate him. Because of that only, when there was a request from Aditya Mehta Foundation to attend this Infinity Ride 2021, which is going to cover 660 kilometers in 6 days. In Tamil we used to say parandu vando, like that we say. So I came flying from the Puducherry and flew from there to attend the program. So really, because we are busy, our Honorable Prime Minister have given an opportunity to Puducherry to celebrate the National Youth Festival there. So we were busy in organizing that. But when the request was from Aditya Mehta, I thought in between I should come, supporting him, because it's the duty of me to support him not only as a governor, as a doctor, because of the theme he has selected here. And my respects to Sri Shobhuji, trustee, AMF and producer of the epic Bahubali movie. So Bahubali movie proved that nothing is impossible. So he's an apt person to come over here and to introduce the theme of drug abuse. I really congratulate your words. And when that enemies are just they became victorious over the enemies, we can be victorious over the drug abuse. And my respects to Sri Miss Lakshmi Manju. I think she has a very good communicative skill. And she told, I have to tell one story also on experience, because I wanted to motivate. I want another thing. She wished me in Tamil. For that also I should thank her. And when I went to a tribal village to motivate the tribals to get their vaccination done, some of the people came and told, you have to come again. You have to come. The next village people came and told, you have to come. Again, we expect you coming to our place. So I was very happy. So I asked, you are so much affectionate with me. So you like me so much. The other tribal lady told, no, if you are coming, only officials are coming and seeing us. And these roads are laid and water is there. So long-term pending problems have been solved because governor is coming. So for that you come. I was very happy. So you like me so much. No, if you come only, everything is rectified. Like that they told. So whatever maybe, even if it is that kind of rectification or some good things happen. I'm ready to come to every place so that we are not blaming anybody, but there are some places, in spite of the development, there are some places like that. And my respect to Shilpa Reddy, she is also continuously supporting, and she's also having a very good communicative skill, and she's regularly supporting, like Lakshmi Manchu. And she is not only a film actress, and she is not only acting, she's cycling also. So acting cum cycling, I made her very popular among the youngsters. And I have to tell our word about our S.K. Joshi ji, the advisor to Government of Telangana and the past Chief Secretary, and Equity Calling, his book. I often, because as LG of Puducherry, I have an opportunity to talk with IAS officers.